Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how to use text to columns in Excel. Start by opening your Excel file and locating the column that contains the combined data you want to separate. Click anywhere in that column or highlight the specific cells you want to split. Next, go to the top of the screen and click on the Data tab. In the Data Tools group, find and click on Text to Columns. This opens the Convert Text to Columns wizard. In the first step of the wizard, choose the option called Delimited. This tells Excel that your data is separated by characters such as commas or spaces. Click Next to move to the next step. Now you will choose the delimiter that matches your data. For example, if your data is separated by commas, check the comma option. If it is separated by spaces, check the space option. You can select more than one if needed. As you make changes, you will see a preview of how your data will be split at the bottom of the window. When it looks correct, click Next. In the final step, choose where you want the separated data to appear. By default, Excel will place it in the original location, replacing the combined data. If you want to keep the original data, click in the destination box and select a different cell where the split data should start. Once your destination is set, click Finish. Your data is now separated into individual columns based on the delimiter you selected. That's it. Thanks for watching.